Paolo Avellino, proud na ibinalandra si Kim Chiu sa ABS-CBN Ball 2025. Mga ka-celebrity hub, wala nang mas exciting pa kaysa sa proud moment na ito ni Paolo Avellino. Sa ABS-CBN Ball 2025, ibinalandra niya si Kim Chiu bilang kanyang karelasyon, at kitang-kita ang pride at kilig sa kanyang mga mata. Dumating si Paolo at Kim na magkasama, at walang humpay na sparkle ang kanilang mga mata habang naglalakad sa red carpet. Si Kim, stunning as always, habang si Paolo, gwapong-gwapo in his talks, clearly proud na ipakita sa buong mundo ang kanilang relationship. Sa bawat step nila, kitang-kita ang chemistry na hindi lang pang screen, kundi pang totoong buhay. At nang tanungin si Paolo kung ano ang feeling na siya at si Kim ay finally out in the open, Paolo confidently said, "Mas mahigit, it's something I'm proud of. Kim is my partner, and I'm lucky to have her." Oh, ang mga netizens, sobrang kilig. Mas mahigit, sana all, ganyan ka proud sa partner mo. Grabe, Kim Pao is real. Kung may pa-hard launch, pa nga. Paolo, you're giving US goals. I love how you cherish Kim. Kim and Paolo's relationship has been an open secret for a while, but last night at the ABS-CBN Ball, they made it official. Walang halong pretenses, they are proud of each other, and it's clear they've found something special in each other. So mga ka-celebrity hub, anong thoughts nyo about Paolo Avellino proudly showing off Kim Chiu at the ABS-CBN Ball? Comment your kilig reactions below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sizzling updates and exclusive celebrity news.